welcome to the Silent Unity prayer service for April 2023. I invite you to join me and take a moment to get quiet and still, getting comfortable wherever you are, taking a moment to invite the body, the mind and the heart to a deeper relaxation. A sense of letting go and releasing ourselves into this sacred time of shared prayer and reflection together. We begin our service, this time of prayer, with the knowledge of the nature of God. God is infinite peace, infinite wisdom, infinite love, and infinite life. All that God is, we can realize as the truth within us. So let's take these words and this energy into our hearts and minds and celebrate the holy power within, the Christ, our true nature. We breathe in peace. We breathe out peace. In the knowledge of God and our divine nature, we cease mental confusion. We come into swift agreement, mind and heart, sure and steady. Nothing can disturb our peace of mind or our harmonious heart, for we are anchored in divine peace. With every step forward, I am faith-filled and faith-firm. In the knowledge of God and our divine nature, we lead our life by faith. The only evidence we need of fulfillment ahead is knowledge of our oneness with God. We faithfully place one foot in front of the other, confident and expectant. Attuned to divine life, I heal and live fully. In the knowledge of God and our divine nature, we heal limiting thoughts about life. In God, there is no limit to life. In God, there is fullness and wholeness of life. Health, well-being, vitality, and ease are ours as we attune to divine life. By the power of spiritual strength, I stand steady and ready. In the knowledge of God and our divine nature, we find spiritual strength to be an endless inner resource. In times of confusion and change, we stand strong and sure, steady and ready to bring clarity and resolution. We are spiritually strong. Entered in divine love, I am a harmonious presence. In the knowledge of God and our divine nature, we embody divine love in the presence of others. Our presence broadcasts harmony. We are a voice of harmony, and we walk hand in hand with others, whether or not we share their worldview. We live in the harmony of divine love. as we begin to close this time of prayer, we resolve to remain aware of our oneness with God that empowers us to live in a state of peace, faith, wholeness, strength, and harmony. We know we are here to be the light of the world which prayer makes possible. So to conclude our prayer service today, we recite the prayer for protection together. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is, and all is well. Amen. Thank you for joining us in our time of prayer and meditation this month. Bless you.